So I'm gonna show you how to reload or how to quick reload with dual wheel pistols and sport mode. So this is how you do it. So first you get you get these two pistols. I don't know, I haven't really tried it, or I don't think it'll work with the revolver, but just get two of those pistols and then first reload them like this, so then it'll actually work. And then empty them out, so they're like this. And you probably didn't know this, but you can actually reload with the clip inside of you. So yeah, use that as your advantage. So just do this, and then boom. Oh. And if you've practiced it enough, you can actually speed reload with dual wheel pistols. So yeah, that's how you do it.